top 15 highest paying jobs you can try now. You might not be happy with your current occupation, or maybe you're looking to switch careers completely and want to know which of the highest paying jobs out there would make the best first step in your new career path. With so many options, how do you choose? A good place to start is our rundown of the top 15 highest paying jobs you can try now. 1. Work at home translating documents. If you're bilingual and want to work from home, then this might be a good choice for you. Translators are in high demand in all industries. With translation, you can work remotely and set your own hours, which is perfect if you have children or other family commitments. And the best part? You get to choose what languages you want to translate into. That's right. You'll never run out of work as long as there are 2 languages on Earth that need translating. 2. Start a website and monetize with ads. You can start a website with WordPress and monetize with Google AdSense. WordPress is an open-source blogging tool that can be used to create websites, blog, and more. You can also find themes, plugins, and other resources to help create your website. Google AdSense is a program created by Google that allows you to show ads on your site or blog that are relevant to your content. Users will click on these ads, which will lead them to another page where they might purchase something or sign up for something. This results in the owner of the site getting paid based on how many clicks they receive on their ad space. 3. Become a Bitcoin miner. Bitcoin mining is a great way to make money and allows you to cut out the middleman. Bitcoin miners use special software and hardware to solve math problems and are rewarded with Bitcoin. The more computing power you contribute, the greater your share of the reward. Some people even set up so-called mining pools where several people combine their computer resources to get better results. However, many people think that Bitcoin mining will not be profitable anymore in the near future due to increasing difficulty and costs for technology. 4. Work as an Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as Amazon M Turk, is a crowdsourcing internet marketplace where people can complete tasks, also called human intelligence tasks or HITs, for various companies. The tasks range in difficulty and compensation. Workers are called Turkers. Workers can work on any number of tasks at one time, which means they might be completing some very simple tasks while doing more complex ones. An example of a task could be to identify objects in an image or transcribe audio recordings. 5. Become an Uber driver. Uber has been called the world's most valuable startup. That's because this company has disrupted the transportation industry in a number of ways, most notably by being one of the first companies in the sharing economy space. Today, it's estimated that more than 2 million people are driving with Uber across 68 countries around the world. And in doing so, they're earning some impressive paychecks. According to data from SherpaShare, drivers can make upwards of $25 an hour on average if they work about 40 hours per week for an entire year, or about $50,000 annually. 6. Sell your photos online. If you're an aspiring photographer, it's very likely that you don't have the funds to purchase professional equipment. Fear not. There are many different ways to sell your photos online for free or for a small fee. Sites like Fiverr offer a wide range of services at prices starting at $5, which includes everything from editing and adding filters to uploading your photos to social media sites. In addition, there are plenty of other photo sharing sites such as 500px and SmugMug where amateur photographers can upload their pictures and earn money by getting likes on their work. 7. Resell items you already own. If you don't want to take on a new career or start your own business, but you're still looking for ways to make some extra cash, you can sell items that you already own. Perhaps you have a game system that's collecting dust? Sell it and make some extra cash. Or maybe you're done with your old books? List them for sale and make some money back. 8. Rent out your unused car space with Turo. Turo is the world's largest peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace for renting cars by the day. It has over 1 million members and thousands of cars in more than 25 countries. It provides a great opportunity to make money by renting out your unused car space when you're not using it. Turo's marketplace connects people who have spare car spaces with those who are looking for places to park their cars, so if you have an empty garage or parking spot that you don't use often, Turo can give you the opportunity to earn up to $5,000 per year on your unused space. 9. Create iPhone, iPad apps. Apps are the newest frontier in making money and there are more opportunities than ever before. If you have some coding experience, then you can make a very good living with just your laptop and an internet connection. There's been a lot of talk about how hard it is to get into the iPhone, iPad app market, but that's really only if you want to do it all yourself. Hiring out your development work will allow you to scale up much faster and put more money in your pocket. As long as you're willing to learn some basic coding skills like HTML, CSS, and Objective-C, there's no limit to how much money you can make from apps. 10. Cleaning services. If you're looking for a job that will make you feel good about your work, look no further. Cleaning services are in demand and they're always looking for new employees. If you're considering this career, there are many benefits that come with it. For example, not only will you have flexible hours and the ability to work from home, but it's also a fairly low-stress position. Another great thing about this field is that it's not heavily dependent on the economy or seasonal trends like other careers are. People need their houses cleaned year-round. So if you want a job with fulfilling work, flexible hours and great pay while still having plenty of time off to enjoy life, then cleaning services might be right for you. 11. Marketing and PR services. Marketing and PR is a booming industry, with job growth projected to be about 12% through 2024. Marketing and PR professionals are in charge of advertising for their company or brand as well as creating strategies to increase its popularity. They might do this through social media campaigns or by coordinating events like product launches. It also involves writing press releases, content marketing, and more. This type of work is great for people who enjoy public speaking, creativity, problem solving, and interpersonal skills because they'll need to be able to articulate the company's goals and convince others that they're worth investing in. This position can offer a lot of variety, depending on what the company needs at the time, as well as opportunities for advancement within the organization. 12. Logo and graphic design services. Logo and graphic design services are a great way to earn a decent income while being your own boss. If you have a knack for design, this is a business that has the potential to quickly grow into something much larger. Established designers can make up to $100,000 in some cases. The sky's the limit when it comes to what you can charge for your service offerings. 13. Social media consultant or manager. This job helps your clients manage their social media accounts. The pay ranges from $35,000 to $95,000 with an average of $68,000. You can learn how to do this job by taking a college course or enrolling in an online program. This will take 1 year and give you the knowledge needed to start a career in social media consulting. If you're looking for a new profession, this is a great field to explore and earn money doing something that you enjoy. 14. Catering services. Catering services have seen a recent rise in popularity and it's not hard to understand why. Catering can be a cost-effective way for businesses and individuals alike to provide food for their guests, as well as a lucrative business opportunity for those with the skills and resources necessary to operate an enterprise. The hours are typically more flexible than other service-based jobs, which means that catering professionals may be able to work around other commitments, such as family or school. Although many catering companies require on-the-job training, apprenticeships are often available and allow aspiring caterers to get experience while still earning a living wage. 15. Self-publishing author. Self-publishing is the best way to get your work in front of as many people as possible. You retain all rights and royalties, allowing you to take a much larger share of the profits from each book sold. You also have complete control over what content is included in the book, a luxury that traditional publishing houses can't offer. If you're an artist, musician, or writer who wants to make a living on their work, self-publishing should be at the top of your list of career choices. Conclusion. After looking at all the different jobs on this list, you should be able to find a job that interests you. Starting your own business is not for everyone, but it can be a lot of fun and lead to a great life. If you're interested in starting your own business, then please contact us so we can help you get started. If any of this sound interesting to you, then I encourage you to pursue them. Remember, while they may start out as an hourly wage position, with hard work and time these positions can turn into something much greater. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Investments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.